In a world where traffic chaos is as real as your morning coffee, one determined driver embarked on a mission that could save more than just your morning commute. Get ready to rev up your knowledge and join us for a ride filled with enlightenment, grease stains, and a touch of DIY magic. Ladies and gentlemen, car enthusiasts and road warriors, prepare to buckle up for a journey that could transform your driving experience and keep you out of fender bender trouble. Today, we're stepping into the world of vehicular vigilance as we explore the ins and outs of diagnosing faulty taillights, a skill that could very well help you dodge a car accident down the line. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this adventure through the realm of cheap, fun, and reliable wheels. You know those moments when you're driving along, feeling the wind in your hair, and suddenly you spot a car with a dimmed out taillight? Yeah, it's the vehicular equivalent of someone whispering, "Hey, potential accident waiting to happen." But fear not, because today we're here to empower you with the knowledge you need to avoid becoming a part of that statistic. Picture this: you're cruising down the street, music on, windows down, and then bam! You're in the midst of a taillight dilemma. But fret not, because armed with a few tools and a splash of know-how, you can be your own vehicular hero. Just like that resilient boy who turned adversity into triumph to build an iconic fashion empire. We're about to show you how to turn a taillight hiccup into a driving victory. From the significance of those little red lights at the back of your car to hands-on tips on how to troubleshoot and fix them, this video is your ultimate guide to becoming the master of your taillights. So put on your metaphorical mechanics cap, because we're diving into a world where learning to diagnose and repairing faulty taillights isn't just about convenience. It's about avoiding a potential car accident. Buckle up, fellow road warriors, because we're diving headfirst into a topic that's as crucial as your morning cup of caffeine. Picture this: you're cruising down the avenue, the wind whipping through your hair, and the open road stretching out before you. Imagine a world where those seemingly inconspicuous taillights at the rear of your vehicle are the unsung heroes keeping you and everyone else on the road safe. These unassuming clusters of light aren't just for show, they're the messaging system of your car, broadcasting your intentions to the world. When you hit the brakes, those lights flare up, alerting drivers behind you that it's time to slow down. Making a turn, those flashy lights on the left or right let others know where you're headed. Even reversing is illuminated for all to see. It's like vehicular Morse code, keeping everyone in the loop. But hold on to your seatbelts, because this tale gets twistier. Malfunctioning taillights aren't just a cosmetic glitch. They're a recipe for disaster. Imagine yourself on a dark road when a car in front of you suddenly brakes, taking you by surprise because their taillights were as bright as a firefly's glow. Accidents caused by dim, flickering, or non-existent taillights are more common than you'd think. These little lights aren't just style statements. They're lifesavers, preventing potential collisions and mishaps in the blink of an eye. The sleuthing session: decoding faulty taillights. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get into the nitty-gritty of identifying taillight troubles. We're about to embark on a mission akin to unraveling a mystery. Picture this: you're standing beside your parked car, equipped with the tools of the trade, ready to uncover the truth behind those blinking bulbs. Your car's rear end is like a constellation of lights, each with its own role. Brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights are a team working in sync to ensure your maneuvers are telegraphed to other drivers. But when the curtain goes up on malfunctioning lights, chaos can ensue. You might encounter dimming bulbs that barely emit a glow, flickering lights that are straight out of a horror movie, or the ultimate vanishing act, where the lights go completely dark. The culprits? Well, let's just say your car's taillights can throw a tantrum due to a variety of reasons. Burnt-out bulbs are the prima donnas of this drama. Faulty wiring might be the troublemaker, turning your light show into a disco of confusion. And don't forget those pesky fuses. A blown fuse can turn even the most spectacular light display into a blackout. Tool time, your trusty companions. No adventure is complete without the right tools. And our journey through the realm of taillight diagnosis is no different. Meet the Avengers of the automotive world. the trusty screwdrivers, the ever-reliable replacement bulbs, the genius multimeter, a dash of fuses for some drama, and of course, the gloves that'll make you feel like an automotive superhero. But hold up, before you start feeling overwhelmed by the prospect of wielding these tools, know this: each one has a unique purpose, and they're your allies on this mission. Think of them as your sidekicks, helping you decode the mysteries of malfunctioning taillights. Alright, my fellow car enthusiasts, before we rev back into our enlightening taillight journey, let's take a pit stop for a quick brain fuel up. Imagine this: you're about to make a turn, and your car's turn signal isn't working. What's the first thing you'd check? Is it A, the radio volume, because why not? B, your car's manual for a quick fix? Or C, the turn signal switch and the bulb? Drop your answers in the comments below, and let's see who's got the detective skills to unravel this automotive riddle. Now, let's get back on the road to mastering those taillight tricks. Diagnosing like a pro, step by step. Imagine this: you're in your driveway, ready to unravel the enigma behind your malfunctioning taillights. Step 1 is a no-brainer: safety first. You'll want to park your car on level ground, engage the parking brake, and switch off the engine. Now we're in the zone. Your vehicle's rear, usually in the shadows, becomes your spotlight. Depending on your car's model, you'll need to access the taillight assembly. This is where the magic happens. Removing the taillight cover might involve screws or clips, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it. Once you've uncovered the inner workings, it's time for the bulb inspection. Just like a doctor's examination, you'll delicately remove the bulb and scrutinize it for any signs of damage. Now, it's multimeter time. This magical device helps you uncover electrical mysteries by checking for continuity and voltage issues that might be plaguing your lights. And just to be thorough, let's also check those fuses, the gatekeepers of your car's electrical kingdom. Trouble meets its match: basic troubleshooting. You've entered the realm of taillight turmoil, and guess what? You're the hero this story needs. Burnt out bulbs? They're no match for your swapping skills. Out with the old, in with the new, and your lights are ready to shine again. Loose wiring causing chaos? You're about to be the master of wire wrangling, securing those connections like a pro. And if you stumbled upon a blown fuse, fear not. With a dash of resourcefulness and a sprinkle of determination, you'll locate and replace it. You'll feel like an automotive MacGyver, turning challenges into triumphs, one taillight at a time. A shining finale, reassembly and beyond. As the curtain falls on your taillight adventure, it's time to reassemble the stage. Picture this: you're attaching the taillight cover, securing it like the final piece of a puzzle. But hold on, the show isn't over yet. It's time for the grand finale, testing. Before you hit the road again, give those lights a spin to ensure they're as radiant as a Hollywood star on a red carpet. Remember, safety is your co-pilot on this journey. So before you take that triumphant drive, run through a checklist to ensure all lights are in perfect harmony. And there you have it, fellow road adventurers and automotive enthusiasts. You're now armed with the knowledge that not only enhances your driving experience, but also ensures you're doing your part to make the road a safer place for everyone. So go forth, light up those taillights, and keep cruising with confidence. And there you have it, my tireless comrades of car knowledge. From the ins and outs of taillight significance to diagnosing and conquering those tricky light glitches, you're now armed with the wisdom that can outshine even the brightest LED bulb. But hey, the journey doesn't have to end here. If you're hungry for more automotive adventures, top-tier tips, and the occasional dash of DIY magic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Because, let's be honest, who wouldn't want to be a part of a community that turns everyday car conundrums into triumphs? So, whether you're a seasoned gearhead or just someone who wants to keep their wheels rolling smoothly and safely, join our ranks. Remember, every click is a step closer to becoming the hero of your own vehicular epic. So buckle up, subscribe, and let's keep the engine of curiosity running. Stay safe, stay curious and keep those taillights shining bright. Until next time, fellow road adventurers.